Good afternoon. So, this is our topic on week 7. Review of related literature. Review of related literature and studies. So, this is a scientific compilation of all significant articles and studies that are highly relevant in a specific research context. Next is review of related literature and studies or relevant review of the literature. So, a relevant review of literature or RL is a concise, objective summary of published research on a specific topic discussing knowledge, findings, conflicts, gaps, and strategies to address them in the study. Review of related literature and studies and synthesis must consider the following characteristics. Steps in reviewing literature and studies. First is find relevant materials. Researchers should be selective and wise in determining a relevant research material. References materials must be related with the research problem, scientific and accurate, informative, complete with correct citation and referential information. Read the reference comprehensively. In reading a reference, there should be note cards in which relevant information is written and as considered the outline of the cited article. Variables of the research must be evaluated in each read research article. Paraphrase the ideas of the research article. Always remember that in paraphrasing an article, proper restatement should be followed. Paraphrasing is not just a rearrangement of the linguistic structure, but it is a use of new word structure, and the main idea should be expressed in a similar manner. Put proper citation, APA format. Citation can be in the form of standard citation and in-text citation. Standard citation has this format: author, date of publication, and proceed to the paraphrase article. Next is in-text citation has this format: paraphrase article, author, and the date of publication. Always follow the format for printed sources and online sources. Explain each cited article. Each cited article must be thoroughly explain each cited article. Each cited article must be thoroughly explained in order to determine the importance of the article in the research study. Provide a general synthesis. State a general theory that had been reflected in all accounted and reviewed articles. Establish a generalization of all research sources that are related on your research paper. Structure of review of related literature and studies. There are 4 main components in constructing RRL. The first one is introduction. Introduction is where you describe the general importance of all presented research articles. The next one is citation. Citation is a systematic way of crediting a work and must consider a standardized format. Next is analysis. Analysis deals with the assertion and explanation of the researchers regarding the cited materials, and it can affirm or negate the content of the materials, but it should be properly justified. Next is synthesis. Give the similarities and differences of all cited articles. Formulate a general theory. Provide the generalization of the relevance of all cited articles. So here are some examples of an actual RRL. This is the end of our lesson on week 7. Thank you.